Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at New Concept Energy Inc., ticker symbol GBR, our fourth quarter and full year 2023 results report and microfloat play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying, folks, we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out RWOD pre-market on Friday, April 19th, 2024, before it ran up 272%. We also called out CSLR pre-market on Friday, April 19th, before it ran up 213%. EGOX was also called out for our private Discord members on Friday, April 19th, before it ran up 131%. And ZCMD was called out pre-market on Friday, April 19th, before it ran up 113%. And finally, we called out TWG on Friday, April 19th for our private Discord members, which also ran up 113%. That's 100% plus runners, folks. We're just made different. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. So let's get right into it with New Concept Energy Inc., ticker symbol GBR, which is based in Dallas, Texas. It's a publicly traded New York Stock Exchange real estate services company with a $7.39 million market cap and 3 employees. New Concept Energy Inc. engages in the real estate rental business. The company owns approximately 190 acres of land located in Parkersburg, West Virginia. It also provides advisory and management services for an independent oil and gas company. The company was formerly known as Cable Tel International Corporation, and it changed its name to New Concept Energy Inc. in May of 2008. GBR was originally established in 1978. Now, let's look at GBR's most recent news. On April the 1st, 2024, the company announced the results of operations for the fourth quarter and the full year ended December 31st, 2023. The revenues from rent for the leased property was $101,000 in 2023 and 2022. Revenues from managing the oil and gas operations for a third party was about $51,000 and $111,000 in 2023 and 2022. The management agreement has the company receiving a management fee of about 10% of oil and gas revenue. Now, for the full year ended December 31st on 2023, the company reported a net loss of $21,000 compared to net income of $181,000 for the same period ended December 31st, 2022. General administrative expenses were $338,000 in 2023 and $317,000 in 2022. It's important to note, though, that this stock's float is just 3.74 million shares. It is a micro float stock. Now, the price action on GBR stock was pushed upward 56% on Friday, April 19th. Now, the price may continue moving upward on Monday if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees if you succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, New Concept Energy Inc., GBR, is a publicly traded New York Stock Exchange company that is in the real estate sector. GBR is a company that we're going to be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will GBR run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure. Of course, we will need to see continued volume before we would actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, folks. We are not pros. It's just my opinion, and I will have GBR on my watch list. It's Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.